gonna turn the stove on for my olive oil because I want the olive oil to get nice and hot so I can fry my fried ravioli. I know this sounds kind of weird, but I'm telling you, they are so good. So while the oil heats up, I'm gonna start with the buttermilk. And what I love about the buttermilk is how thick it is. It's much thicker than milk. Traditionally, in St. Louis, where this dish came about, they use milk. But you know what? Buttermilk makes it taste so much better. We're also gonna use 2 cups of breadcrumbs. And I'm using Italian-style breadcrumbs because they're seasoned. They're already seasoned for me, so everything, I know the crust is gonna taste so good. It's got herbs, it's got a little garlic, and they're nice and dry. So now, breadcrumbs are ready, buttermilk is ready. We'll start with the ravioli. Now, the thing about these ravioli is I just buy plain store-bought ravioli. It's a cheese filling. I just like the simplicity of it. I'm gonna deep fry the ravioli, so I just like to keep it simple, but you could use whatever kind of filling you like. I just take the little ravioli, dip it in the buttermilk, and then dip it in the breadcrumbs. Just a light coating. And you wanna make sure and let all the excess buttermilk sort of drip off the ravioli before you put it in the breadcrumbs, so the breadcrumbs really stick to that ravioli. All right, that one has a nice coating, nice thin crust. These are so much fun. You can do these ahead, put them in the freezer, and then just deep fry them right before you need them. And I like how little these are, because they're kind of bite-sized, and everybody's standing around. It's kind of like a street fair sort of thing. Just want sort of a bite-sized bit. Perfect. I gotta make sure that the oil is at the right temperature, 325 degrees. But without a thermometer, I have a way of testing it. Just throw a little bit of these breadcrumbs into the oil. If it sinks to the bottom, the oil's too cold. If it comes up to the top and burns up, well then it's too hot. But if it slowly rises and starts to turn a golden color, the oil is at the right temperature. And it did just that. The oil's ready, so now I'm gonna start adding my ravioli. I'll start with 2 at a time. And add them right in there. Ooh, I can smell the cheese and all the herbs on the breadcrumbs. So good. All right, now I'm gonna sneak a taste. So, grab one of these. I've been heating up my marinara for a little while. Just dip it in there. Okay, you can't not love these. Fried ravioli are perfect finger food.